Today we're gonna cook special pasta rigatoni with pesto sauce and vegetable. It will be delicious. Let's see the ingredients. We need for our recipe handful bucatini pasta, 250 gram, 3 ounces pesto sauce. It's one of my recipe too on my website. 5 ounces shredded baby bok choy, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 2 ounces diced red pepper, 2 ounces diced onion, 1 teaspoon tomato paste, 3 ounces pitted black olives sliced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and we may add more according to taste, 4 ounces sliced mushroom. And we got to add 2 ounces parmesan cheese, 1 ounce olive oil, and a bit of vegetable oil. Salted water. I'm gonna start my pasta so I can assemble the dish in shorter time. Gonna move it further. In a new big pot, I'm gonna add little bit vegetable oil and 1 ounce olive oil. It's hot enough. I'm gonna add my onion. And my garlic, red sweet pepper, give a nice color. I'm gonna add my bok choy, stir it around and make sure all the quantity is getting fried. See, they shrink very quickly. Now we have room for the mushroom. We need to add a bit of olive oil. We want to cook all these vegetables in order to add our pesto sauce. Pesto sauce doesn't need much of cooking. Now we have some water, so it's time to add our tomato paste. To get our tomato paste all the way through, I'm gonna mix it with a bit of water, dilute it in some water, and we will add it into our food to add flavor and body to our sauce. Now I will add my salt and pepper and my olives. Add my pesto, add some water to it. Now I turn off the heat, check on the pasta. Now the heat is coming down. I'm gonna taste the sauce. Good. Gonna add a dash of salt. We'll drain our pasta and I'm gonna add it straight on the sauce. I'm gonna add the parmesan, almost 1 ounce. The fire is off. I'm gonna mix it right in. With this recipe, you have to do mixing. You have to do mixing when all the ingredients is hot. Then we get all whole flavor intact in the pasta. More mixing, the beauty come out of this dish. Even the color of the pasta itself changed because it sucked all the sauce in it. Let's scoop it and try our creation. Some Parmesan cheese. We're testing it. It's very hot. All the vegetable still crunchy. The flavor of the pesto is mouth-watery. I hope you try it. Amazing pesto rigatoni with vegetable. See you next time, Chef Asak. Bye bye.